Good morning. Just a video about how to keep your cool and keep organised in property. So I have a property that we're just refreshing. We're painting the whole house again, and we're replacing the kitchen and the living room carpet and linoleum. And I had organised for one of my carpet fitters to go out and do it. And I just phoned him this morning to go, come on, and he went, oh, I'm really sorry, I'm going off to France. My friends have pulled this trip forward, and in all honesty, I can't make it. Now, my response could have been, oh, you said you'd do it, or I just stay friendly and say, hey, don't worry about it, these things happen, and phone someone else, which is what I did. Okay, so in this case, he's going out to France, but he is going out to see a building in France. But what it could easily be is another job gets pulled forward on him, and he's just got to fly into that other job. And I suppose the reason I've had three difficulties, if you like, with tradespeople, and I've done, we've sourced over 200 deals. So three isn't bad, is it? And generally it's because I've got an appreciation of their position, and their position is shifting sands all the time. If you think about it, they're not going to work 9 till 5 and they turn up at the same place and then the work is on their computer. No, they have job after job after job, and they're estimating the time that each of the jobs take, and sometimes they take longer, sometimes the jobs gets cancelled. So they're always trying to piece together a jigsaw, and I'm just part of that jigsaw. So how do I stay, I wouldn't say chilled, because I don't think you could ever say the word chilled with me, but how do I stay relaxed about all that? Well, I've got other people on my phone. For plumbers, we've got 24 plumbers, with about 7 that we work with regularly. So I was like, hey, have a great time in France, and picked the phone immediately up to another guy and said, hey, do you think you can come and measure this week? Because I've got tenants moving in on Saturday. And he was like, yep, no problem, and immediately texted him the address. So by having lots of different possibilities, you keep your side of the jigsaw piece being pieced together, and then your trades team can keep their side of the jigsaw piece being pieced together, and everybody moves along happily. Now, I haven't had a cup of tea this morning, so I'm dying for one. I'm off into the work. Have a good day, and go recruit 10 carpet fitters, 20 plumbers, 20 electricians, at least 10 builders. I mean, I know it seems like overkill, but it won't when they're like, oh, sorry, Suze, can't make it. See you soon. Bye.